Morning guys, October 22nd, 2025. So now I gotta do a burner service, oil burner service for a lady. I'm not sure if I ever worked for her before or not. But we're gonna go over here and see if we can help out the damsel in distress. The filter was really dirty and the wrong size. I did put the right size in there. How long it's been since I've been here? 5 years. I don't know about that. Definitely mucky. It's a furnace, it's not a burner, oil, not a boiler, so. Alright, I got an F4 here. F4. This one don't have a spring, and I need to get some flipping springs for that. I should have something I could get for that. And, something that holds it in the middle, like a piece of, they could even use like a piece of pipe or something. These gaskets are usually fine. Just gotta make sure you get it in the middle there when you put it in, make sure it's in the middle. This is loose here and we'll bleed it. I usually put a ball valve and then a Firematic right away, so you could shut the ball valve off instead of the Firematic. It saves it from malfunctioning. I'm gonna bleed the air here. You can pull it through the pump too. I like to get most of it out of here and then pull the rest through the pump. Make sure I get a good flow. And that's how you check the pump filter, by the flow coming out the pump. If the filter's dirty, it'll be a wimpy flow. Then I know I have to change the pump filter. Might as well leave this alone and pull it through the pump. Last time I was here, I did the protector relay, which is this, and the nozzle. That's over 5 years. I got the power off here. He's flipping bad. He's really bad. That's a long time, man. 5 years. There's probably a little 75 or a 65 in here. Could be a 65. A little 75, 80A. A little 75, 80A is what we're going to put in there. That's what was in there before. A is a hollow and B is semi-solid. That's called for a hollow. Usually they run a little quiet out of the hollow nozzles. I'm gonna bleed the air out of the pump. Bleed the air out. Alright, we're gonna get a good bleed here on this thing. Open this up a couple of turns. Could jump out the we can jump out TT here for the furnace to run it. Once we turn on the power, and then we could jump out FF to keep it running. Once it starts, we can jump out FF to keep it running. Air on that thing, remember? Make sure I get a good bleed on it. Should be fine. this off and we'll fire it up again. Alright, new filter at tank, new nozzle, clean burner head, new air filter at blower. Alright, I had to make sure I took my my jumper off. Thing would have kept running.